People who were in this movie: Corey, Randall, Tanner, Rude Guy, Sam, Bad Decision Maker, Lacey, Weird Face Maker, Pam, Amazing Kicker, Jesse, Diva, Doug, Stupid Guy. Here's the movie.
Hi, I'm Randall. Have you ever wanted to be an incredible camp leader? Come to my house and I'll teach you just how it's done. Have you ever wanted to swim like a fish? Well, bam! Or tie a knot like this? You ever want to play sports like T-Bone? Oh, crap. That just went 16 miles.
Have you ever wanted to wrestle a bear while strangling a python? Well, I can do it.
I have over 328 minutes of experience. I can break logs in half, throw the crap out of them. Look at that highlight. It's ridiculous. All you gotta do is call my number. 1-800-RANDALL. I'll take you to the next level. I'm also not responsible for any bug bites or deaths. Call now.
Hey guys, for summer camp, that's what we need.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Definitely.
Horrible idea.
Hi, my name's Randall. I love nature.
Hey Randall, this is the Flood Student Ministries. We're in. Are you sure about this?
Oh my gosh.
Can you do this?
I don't know.
Alright, we'll do it.
Nature. You guys Jehovah's Witness?
What? No. We're here for the camp leader training.
Oh, well, you've come to the right place, Scout Tatoes. Come on in. All right. I just want to thank everybody for coming out here today. Now, I know this might be extremely difficult for you, but if you listen to my instructions, you'll be a pterodactyl scout by noon.
Pterodactyl scout?
Yeah, it's above eagle. All right, let's begin. And have I mentioned you guys look super enthusiastic? All right, first things first, you need to learn how to play sports. Here, catch this.
I'll go first.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, my spleen!
I gotta pee. All right, who's up next? All right, let's see what you can do.
Yeah. I love you. I've always loved you.
Okay, I think we should move on. All right, Nature's Valleys. This is going to be an easier route because we're going to talk about nature. What is this bad boy right here?
That's a pine tree.
That was a pretty easy one there, Camp Champ. All right, what's this?
Straw?
Crap! What's this one?
That's a stump. That's a stump with some pine cones on it.
Anybody know what this bad boy is?
Yeah, that's a, it's a shrubbery.
No, that's an anthill.
And those are fire ants.
Oh gosh, yes!
Wait, Randall, come back! Come back, Randall! No, don't please! Randall, come back! Oh, goodness! Oh, they're eating me alive! Oh, goodness! Ah!
I got this.
Oh, my kidneys are burning!
No, Tanner, it's not safe.
No. My ear! Oh, I got it in my ear!
A lot of things happened. There's good, bad, some growth, some spiritual and emotional and natural growth.
Yeah, it was an experience. I got hit in the face a lot. I hit the ground a lot, and I said a lot of things that I wasn't expecting to say.
So, what about that whole Pam thing?
Wait, did you guys look directly into the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it was definitely interesting. I'd say I learned a lot, but you know, at the same time, I'd say I didn't. It was fun. Would I come back? Probably not.
Oh my gosh, it was so much.
Kind of regret calling that guy. There's probably a lot of other routes we could have gone. The initial phone call really should have set us off and like told us this was a crazy idea. His love for nature is a little creepy. Don't know how I'm gonna explain that with scripture. But we'll get there. You know, it's gonna be a great camp. We learned some things and great memories. Yeah.
So I thought it went great. I looked good, that's for sure. And all the weeks of training that I put in, you know, I really feel like they learned a lot. And, you know, this is bothering me right here from earlier. Okay. You know, I feel like they'd come back. A little more injuries than normal. Didn't break my leg this time, which is great. Crap, they didn't pay me. Mom's gonna kill me. Ow!
Trust me, don't go.